help regular shoppers record and compare products so as to enable users to consume rationally. Our target audience is adults who often shop and help them with financial management in shopping. This web app allows you to add products that you want to purchase to your plan. This app has three core features. First, users can add an item to their shopping plan for any time they want, and it will remind you on the day that you received. In addition, you can describe the products underneath, such as the type of the product, the amount, and the price, to help users form a better shopping habit. The last feature could help users make decisions at the last minute. Users can add products from their shopping plan to the shopping cart. Then it will calculate the total price for you. In conclusion, this web app combines the functions of sticky notes, calendar, and shopping carts. In the process of design, I designed user stories to be as close to the real users' scenarios of the audience as possible, and design software functions to effectively solve the real problems in life. Moreover, I further made a low-fidelity prototype for users to ensure that the interaction behavior of the system is reasonable, easily to use, and easy to learn. In this part, I use XD and Photoshop software to make the interface between mobile phone and computer. In terms of color design, I especially use color that fits the sense of daily life to make the picture bright, simple, and clear. In terms of code, applied the knowledge of Vue.js to the development of functions. In the development, it is mainly reflected in three aspects. First, the form-binding declarations of Vue. The Vue model declaration has been used many times in my code, such as searching keywords, filtering time, and adding product information. The second is the calculation attribute of Vue, which is the code method to realize the shopping cart in my application, so that user can know the total price of goods in the shopping cart at any time, whether add or reduce. The third is the extensive use of Vue's list rendering function. In this web application, a large amount of list data needs to be rendered by V4 declaration, such as item list, item categories list, and shopping cart list. In this list, due to change of data, watch attributes need to be used to synchronously update the rendered content in the document. In the function implementation of this system, I have encountered many difficulties, among which I think the most challenging is how to solve the problem that the shopping cart content disappears after the page is refreshed. In the beginning, I didn't realize this problem until I found that it was contrary to my user story, and I decided to solve this problem. Therefore, I first think of the local storage function of HTML. Whenever a user opens a web page, the web page will automatically read to see if there is a data. But the problem arises because my shopping cart data type become more complex. The basic data storage methods cannot solve the problem well. After that, I thought that I can convert the data into JSON string and store it. When it needs to be read, I can convert it into JSON object. So this problem is solved. In this process, I learned how to realize the data temporary storage function of the website. More importantly, I understand how to realize an idea in the real world. In this process, I found the problem, understand the basic principles of the code, and went online to learn how others implement similar functions.